Guys, you are welcome back to my channel. Julius here, and I want to believe you are watching my dashboard right now. And what you are seeing on this dashboard right now is $13.97. And I'm going to show you peradventure this money is real or is scam. So for me to show you maybe this money is real or for scam, I'm going to refresh my dashboard. So let me refresh my dashboard. I've refreshed the dashboard. The money on still the dashboard right now is still what you are still here to be still $13.97, meaning that this money is real. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can start making money like this. And for you to start making money like this, there are many things you need to do. However, this video is for educational and informational purposes. I'm not guaranteeing you that you can make money as much as this revenue. For you to make this money like this, it depends on different factors. One, depends on the traffic you are going to send to this platform. Depends on how hard work you are able to put into this work. Depends on how serious you are on this exercise. So these are the ways you can make money on this platform. If you are watching this channel for the first time, I will want you to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So I want to walk you through step by step. And if you are having your phone with internet connection, you can as well start making money like this. So without making much or without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. The next thing now we need to do right now is just to go back to our CPAGrip. When you get to CPAGrip, you click on offer tools. When you click on offer tools, the next thing you are going to do now, you click on my offer. After you have clicked on my offer, then you are going to come to this platform. On this platform, you are going to see country, you are going to see like category, you are going to see statistics, and you are going to see search. So for today's video, we are going to choose United States offer. So where you are having country now, you are going to click where you are having country and you are seeing Nigeria now, you are going to click this down arrow. When you click this down arrow, there will be open space there. That open space is where you are going to write United States. And this is United States now. And when the United States are just coming up now, what you are going to see right now, you are going to see a bunch of offer on this page right now. You can see a bunch of offer on this page right now. Once you have been here right now, you are going to see that on that time you are going to see different type of operating system. This is desktop. This is Apple iOS. This is Android, which means this one has a 3 operating system. Why this one has only 1? Why this one has only 3? Why this one has only 2? In my previous video, I make sure to understand that for you to promote any offer on this page, you need to have at least 2, even not 3. So if you are going to promote this offer right now, we are going to choose these 3 that has an operating system. And in addition, you should also come to your right hand side here. When you come to your right hand side here, you are going to see my profile or my performance rather. You are going to see my next performance. You are going to see the next credit rate, click rate. You are going to see next M per click. If you see this M per click here right now, you are going to see this is 0.24 cent. This is 0.24 to 0.203 cent. This and next click rate here, you are going to see this one. If we move down, we are not going to see any for others because they have not start promoting this offer. If you see this one, you are going to see 0.0. That is for that one. There are another metrics you need to also consider here. Is this your net performance. You can see here this one is 80%, fully green and partly white. fully green and partly white. If you move down, you are going to see some that is having white, meaning that those offer has not been started to be promoting. So you can see here right now that we have not seen green here. Rather, you are seeing red. Then another matrix here, you also need to consider your performance here. This is my performance here. You can see here, this is 100%. Meaning that I've been promoting this offer, and this offer has been converting for me. And it's on this note we want to use this offer as an example for this video. So what next that we are going to do now, we need to click this, right click this offer. When you right click this offer now, it's going to come up. And in the course of coming up here, you are going to see complete a deal for $100 a Bavolo winner wide. And you are being told that this offer is for United States of America. And you are also told that this offer is an email stroke SIP summit. And this offer was submitted here December 11. And if you see the tracking domain, you are seeing new tracking domain here. So which means you can as well use this tracking domain. Paraventure is not new. You need to click this down arrow. You are going to see other domain here. But seeing as much that this one is already new, that's the reason why we are going to be using this one. The next thing you need to do right now is just to copy these links. And these links is what you are going to use to start promoting this offer. You can see here that within 1 week, I have a 7 click. Out of that 7 click, one lead is converted for me, which is $13, 97. So what's next to be done is to create a landing page. For the purpose of this video, I don't want it to be too long. That's the reason why I've created this landing page. And peradventure you don't know how to create a landing page, I will want you to go to the comment section of this video. Just show me how to create a landing page. So what I did here is just I come to this page. If you come to this page right now, you are going to see start a new website or a new site. Because I've already having different sites, this is the reason why you are seeing all this site here. So but for your own, it's going to be blank. And what you want to do right now, you just need to click this start a new site. So now what I did here is just I come back to this website, this CPAGrip here. This is the offer. This is the image of our offer. I download this image into my laptop. Then I come to this website here. I now click this start a new site. Click this one. When you click this one, it's going to come up like this. When this thing come up like this, then you are going to see here that you need to delete this email here. When you click this one, it's going to delete this email here. The heading of our landing page, complete a deal for 100 at Buffalo Win a Wine. So which is from here, I copied this one. Then I downloaded this image. It's what you are seeing here. Then I move down. In the course of moving down, I say claim your offer. This claim your offer is another thing. You need to go to the Google search bar. You put claim your offer image there. You download it. After you have downloaded it, you are going to put it here. This is where you are going to put your links. So when they click this link, they are going to come back to this offer here. And the moment they complete this offer, you are going to make money. That's just the simple process of this landing page. And I want to believe you guys are enjoying this video, a very powerful information. And once you have created this your landing page, the next thing now is for you to publish your landing page. Once you have published your landing page, you need to come back here, this down arrow. When you come back to this down arrow, you are going to view your landing page here. So what you now need to do now, you click view publish site. You click on this one. And when you click on this one, it's going to come up in this site. So once we have created our landing page, the next thing we need to do right now is just to start promoting this offer. And the platform we are going to use to promote this offer is called freethehard1.net. And here, what you need to do now, you just need to click a post ad. When you click a post ad, it's going to give you like this. And once it give you like this, the next thing now you need to do is here, you put the you choose your category. Don't forget that this offer is a job. It's a complete a deal. So that's why I put job here. Then on which category? Here you are going to make money. It's a complete a deal for $100 a buffalo. It's a complete a deal to get $100. So meaning that this is a finance. You are making money here. The group here has nothing to do. Then the title, you need to come back here, copy this title here, and put it here. I want to believe you are following me. And what I'm saying is making sense. After you have done that one, you come back to description. If you don't know what to write at the description, you need to go to ChatGTP. When you get to ChatGTP, you need to say, give me an ISA ad description to complete a deal for $100 Buffalo wide wins with a ICT rate. Click per rate. So once you have done that one, your description is what you are going to put here. Once you have done that one, then your email, if you want them to know your email, you put it there. If you don't want, you leave it blank. Then you leave that place too. You come back here. You put this code here. Then your website, which is the affiliate link, you put it here. For YouTube video, you put it blank. Then for country here, I use United States because the offer here is US. Then I come back here. Then we put all states, all cities. Then the next thing you need to do right now, you need to put 3 pictures of your offer. For you to get the pictures, you need to go to Google search bar, put the image or the names of that of this offer there. And the moment you put it there, it's going to give you a bunch of images. Then once you have finished that one, the next thing now you need to do is to click post free ads. And once your offer is accepted, then they are going to start sending the traffic to the offer. And the moment the traffic complete the offer and give you your give the email, you are going to make money. This is just the simple explanation of this uh, offer here. And I want to believe you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, once again, just give me a like and as well give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. I will also want you to share this video, comment. Let me see your comment so that if there is any need for me to do 1 or 2 corrections. So I want to know your correction there so that next video I will know what to write or what to do for you guys. And I'm probably sure you are still having questions, maybe for one reason or the other you want me to do any video for you. Go to the comment section of this video, put your questions there. And when I see those questions, I will take them one after the other. I will do justice to them. Meanwhile, if you are joining this channel for the first time or you are viewing this channel for the first time and you have not subscribed, what I will want you to do now that is not going to cost you any damn, just subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So on this note, I'm